Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, I know it's been a long time, and guys, but don't worry, because today I am bringing you the king of every monitors in this price segment, which is 15,000 rupees. Guys, you will not find any other monitor which is this good of performing in this gaming segment of 15,000 rupees. Guys, this is the MSI Optix G241, which is a very demanding monitor in this price segment. Guys, now guys, I am telling you what are these specs. It comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate, which is mind blowing, and it also have a 1 millisecond response time, which is absolutely mind boggling right now. And guys, and the main thing is of this MSI monitor is this is a IPS panel which comes with a very high color accuracy. This is a monitor which you need to buy if you want to be a pro gamer like Ninja. So guys, without any further ado, I will show you today its unboxing, its review, and a gameplay in this sweet monitor. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Yes guys, this is it. And now main thing, come on. Yes, actually I think I am a James Bond right now. Ta-da. This is the panel, guys. So guys, this is the panel that you will be watching for my rest of my life. Or yeah, I am. So guys, I will show you this after I install everything. So guys, so guys, this is the final product which you will get. I am not removing this tag for certain reasons which I cannot tell. But guys, excluding that, this is an awesome monitor, guys. Won't you agree? This is a very awesome monitor. It have many modes, like here when you reach back here this side, there is an analog stick which will help you to guide through its main menu, which is this. As you can see, it has many menus, as like game mode, user mode, FPS mode, racing mode, RPG mode, RTS. What is that? I don't know. There is mode, game mode, night vision mode, response time fast, which is 1 millisecond. As you know, this is there it is written, the 1 millisecond response time. So guys, this is the 1 millisecond response, which is the fastest. So guys, I will use the fastest. I will, and this refresh rate location on. So guys, there are so many menus that you have to turn on before using its full potential. As I am using the HDMI cable, so guys, the HDMI cable is only capable of transferring 60 Hz. But as I am using my laptop to show this, so guys, this is only 60 Hz. But if you use the HDMI from your graphics card, you will easily get 144 Hz, which is recommended for this monitor. I am only using 60 Hz in this monitor, which is very, as you can see, it's not very good. but as I don't have my graphics card right now yet, but I will get and buy one. So guys, subscribe my channel for knowing about the graphics card that I will be buying for this monitor. And guys, tell me in the comment section how you like this monitor. So guys, before ending my video, I will show you one last thing, which is, guys, this is the processor which I am going to use in my build, but I am not going to reveal. You have seen it. So guys, this is the processor. So guys, if you want to watch that video where I built my own personal build, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will get this type of content the first that I have been posted. So guys, that's it for this video. This is the monitor and this is MSI's Optix G241 esports gaming monitor.